Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by running PowerShell as administrator so you can read protected firmware values. Once done, type get WMI object query, select * from software licensing service to request license data from the system. Make sure to keep the HP laptop plugged in and avoid rebooting during this read. You do this because many HP machines store the OEM key in UEFI firmware. The command queries the Windows licensing service, which reports a product key when available. Now you extract the product key. This is the crucial step. If PowerShell output shows OA3X original product key, copy it exactly. Letters and digits matter. Alternatively, run WMIC Path Software Licensing Service, get OA3X original product key, which often returns the OEM key on HP systems. Once you have the key, paste it into Notepad and save a local file. This preserves formatting and prevents typos when you need to reinstall or verify activation later. To finish, verify the key looks correct. 5 groups of 5 characters. Then use Settings Update and Security Activation Change Product Key to test it. If the key field was blank, the OEM key might not be present in firmware. In that case, use HP Support Assistant or check UEFI settings, because some vendors embed keys differently. If activation fails, re-enter the key slowly and run the activation troubleshooter. Make sure your internet connection is active and your Windows edition matches the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.